Hi, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I was going to see what was under this rock and see what nature had to offer for our microscope, but I saw this little fellow over here and decided we'd take a look at him. Now I got all these weeds in the way and I need to weed this garden. Let me pull that out. Let's see, where do you go? Oh, there he is. Oh, come on buddy. There you go. Alright, so this is the fellow we're going to look at today. This you probably have all seen before. This is a firebug. So let's head to the microscope and see what he looks like under it. Alright, so we are now under the microscope and we are looking at the top side back end of this firebug. I don't know the gender of this, but I will refer to it as this little guy. So we're at the back end, we're going to work our way to the front, up to the head. So we see these black and red patterns and lots of texture. It's always amazing how beautiful these things are under the microscope, where you can see all the detail and the color. And they're just kind of amazing to look at. We're now moving from the back segment to the middle segment. Now, insects always have 3 segments. So here's our middle segment here. So we're getting close to the head. Hope he's moving around. Now, how they got their name Firebug is pretty obvious. They have these bright orange, bright red colors, and that's how they got the name Firebug. Now we are now approaching the head. Let's see, we got the antenna there. And that is an odd looking head. And then we got an eyeball here. This one isn't as blackberry looking as many of the insects we look at, but still a berry looking eye. Kind of looks like a fly eye. Oh, he's moving. Now I want to look at his legs real quick, and then we'll flip this guy over and see what his underside looks like. So we got legs here, and he keeps moving around, grabbing his antennas and rubbing them. So I thought I would show that here. So he's rubbing, there's his head. He's rubbing his antenna right now. And we're gonna zoom in and look at those feet as he rubs that antenna. Anyway, firebugs, to humans, they are completely harmless. They can't bite you. They basically don't really do anything to you. They only become a pest when their population gets really large and they start to come into the house or into properties or areas you don't want them. Now here we're going to look at a closer look at the leg. But yeah, they're pretty much harmless. They eat seeds, and so their mouth should look kind of interesting to see their mouth, or the mouth on this guy. You see those 2 hooks on that foot and little shoes there for walking around. Alright, let's flip this guy over and see what we got. He is now flipped over, and we are starting at the back end, and we're going to work our way to the head again. But we're going to do this real quick. Now, supposedly they release a stinky odor when crushed or squeezed or felt like they're in danger. I've actually never smelt that myself. I have smelt it on those stupid elm tree bugs. Those things are, if you have an elm tree, you'll know what I'm talking about. A nightmare. They get everywhere, get into the house, get into the windows, and they stink. Alright, so I just moved up to the head here, and we see the mouthpiece. Look at that thing. That thing is like an alien tube. It almost looks like a leg, but that is definitely the mouthpiece. It's really long, tube-like things. So these things eat seeds and they need this to kind of penetrate into that seed. This cannot, or these things don't bite you, just to reiterate. Let's see if we can see the tip of the mouth here, if he'll move it for us. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's so, oh, come on. Oh, there he goes. He's moving it. That was the end of it, but I didn't see you get a very good look at it. There we go. Let me see if I can adjust this to get a better look at him. There we go. Now I can see it better. Alright, that's the tip of the mouth. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. Please subscribe if you are not. And thank you for all the support. I'm almost at 100. I hope to see you next time. And I'll see you later.